Today's topic is pivot method. So today we will discuss only pivoting. In your syllabus there are three advanced operations, that is pivoting, aggregation and sorting. Let us see what is pivoting. In real world or in physics, a pin or a point or a short shaft on the end of which something rests and turns, or upon and about which something rotates or oscillates, is called pivoting. See these examples. These are two bones attached together, can be turned around. So this is a pivot. This is a pivot around which this piece can rotate. And here, this is a simple machine, and this red point is a pivot. In terms of economics, a pivot usually occurs when a company makes a fundamental change to their business after determining, that is usually through market research, after determining that their product is not meeting the needs of intended market. So there is always a need of pivoting. Now you will get some more idea. The synonyms of pivoting are rotate, turn, revolve, spin, etc. Now see these two tables. This is your original table. Store, product, sales. We have store A and B. Products are TV and DVD, and sales. Now see this second figure. Here we have transformed this original table or reshaped this original table, and that can be seen like this. Store A, average for TV, average for DVD. So this can be a demand for a company. So this process is called pivoting. See this table. This is your original table, original records. We have two students, Jacob and Emily, with subjects math, science, geography, and some marks. So this is little bit cumbersome, a large table. After pivoting, we have another table, something like this. Student, mathematics, science, geography. It means the subjects are being converted into columns, and student is converted into index. Jacob and Emily, they are acting as index. So you can see clearly Jacob's mathematics marks 100. Here also Jacob has got mathematics marks as 100. Like this. Data is same, but what we have done, we have rotated or turned the data around a particular axis. Now let us see, according to your book's definition, what pivoting means. One of the most common tasks in data science is to, you know, we are studying data science. Python is a part of data science, is to manipulate the data frame to a specific format. For example, sometimes we may want to take data frame with fewer columns, say in long format, summarize and convert into data frame with multiple columns, that is a wide data frame. It means large data frame can be converted into small data frame and vice versa. We will see examples after this slide. Pivot function creates a new data frame after reshaping the data based on column values. It takes normally three arguments: index, column, and values. Now, out of these three arguments, a minimum of two arguments have to be given. One is optional, anyone. Now, this is your syntax: pandas.pivot, index, columns, and values. Index is used to create a new index for data frame, which is normally the column name from the original table. Columns, it creates columns of new data frame which are the names of columns of the original table, and values creates columns of new data frame, which are the values of the column name from the original table. Let us see this one again. This subject has become columns, and this student has become indexes, and these are all the values. Now, this is actual practical example. You can try it at home. So practical one, to implement pivoting using pivot for the result data frame. So we will go through this example. First, you have to create a data frame. So this is just to create a data frame. See the output of this data frame. You already know how to create a data frame. एक data frame बनाना है, फिर उस पर हम pivoting करेंगे. PV dot, sorry, PV is just a data frame. तो pivoting data frame है, तो इसलिए PV नाम रखा है. You can write any name. PV is equal to df dot pivot. Index is equal to name. Columns is equal to subject. And important one, values is equal to marks. Now see, if you write PV, what will be your output? First, see what is our index. Index is equal to name, and your name column is containing Radhika, Sonia, Shaurya, Vinay. इसको ध्यान से समझ लोगे तो आगे के एग्जांपल्स इजीली समझ में आ जाएंगे. स्किप कर दोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो नेम कॉलम को हमने क्या बनाया? इंडेक्स. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव रिटन इंडेक्स इज इक्वल टू नेम. यहाँ देखिए इससे हुआ क्या. ये आपका नेम कॉलम है जिसमें राधिका, शौर्य, सोनिया, विनय जैसे 0 1 2 3 आता था, उसकी जगह ये इंडेक्स आ गया. किसका इंडेक्स? पीवी डेटा फ्रेम का. नाउ कॉलम्स इज इक्वल टू सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास आईपी, सीएस, मैथमेटिक्स, फिजिक्स. तो यू कैन सी दीज आर द कॉलम्स. CS column number 1, IP column number 2, maths column 3, physics column number 4. Okay, now let us come to values is equal to marks. So values is equal to marks, and these are your marks. We have not used grade. These are your marks. These marks as values are distributed in this PV data frame. Let us see this one by one. Radhika, CS. So there is no value for CS. CS तो सोनिया का था. That is why NaN is written. NaN means not a number or blank value. Radhika has got 98 marks in IP. See here, Radhika IP 98. So here it is shown. So what we have done? We have transformed or reshaped this data frame into this PV data frame. This is called pivoting. Let us see some more examples. Same data frame, ये same data frame बनाया, इसको repeat नहीं करेंगे. See this line, df dot pivot, index is equal to name, वही same, columns is equal to subject, but here there is a change, values is equal to grade. So instead of marks, this table is going to use values. तो बड़ी table को हमने छोटा कर दिया, pivoting कर दी. Values आएंगी वैसे ही उसी के according. Your grade for Radhika is A1 in IP. So you have Radhika here and IP में grade है A1. I also need A1 grade for all students. देखते हैं. Okay, let us move to next one. Using pivot method with fill NA. FILLNA. NA means not a number. No value. See here. This is your previous statement. df dot pivot, index is equal to name, columns is equal to subject, values is equal to marks, dot fill NA. And here there is nothing, just a blank space. So you can see output. Now there is no NaN value. All NaN values are being removed. So this is the use of fill NA. Let us see this blue box now. We have seen previously that NaN values were inserted automatically in the absence of values or values that are not matched. Instead of NaN, we can explicitly give space using fill NA method. I think this is clear to you. This topic is pivoting using multiple columns. Now, if we want to use multiple values, then the values attribute is to be skipped. For example, if you want both the columns, marks also and grade also, यानी टेबल को छोटा नहीं, इस बार टेबल को बड़ा बनाना. In one data frame or in one table, you need both. In that case, we will skip values attribute. df.pivot index is equal to name, columns is equal to subject. So there is no value attribute used. So in this case, you will get combination of these two, data frame based on marks also and data frame based on grade also. This is one output. See, let us take Radhika. Radhika's IP marks 98. Here also 98. Radhika's grade A1. You have to see this grade. Grade of CS. Radhika is not having CS subject, so NaN value. And here we have A1. Pivoting using multiple columns with fill NA or with filtering, or it means by giving some conditions. So this is an example of filtering. pv.grade dot maths dot fill NA blank. Very easy. We will start here. PV means this data frame. Dot grade means grade here. Maths means maths column. Fill NA means all the NaN values will be replaced by blank spaces. So in maths column, we have only one value, that is A1. A1 for Shaurya. So we have Shaurya A1 here. All other are blank. These are blank values. So this was an example of filtering. Next, some more examples on filtering. ये वही same data frame. pv.marks.fill_na. See previous one. यहाँ हमने लिखा था pv.grade.maths और यहाँ हम ले रहे हैं pv.marks. तो marks तो ये रहे. fill na means सारे blank आएंगे, पर किसके लिए, कौन से कॉलम के लिए, ये यहाँ पर नहीं बताया. No column name is mentioned here, so all the columns will be displayed. CS भी आएगा, IP भी आएगा, Maths भी आएगा, Physics भी आएगा, and all other NaN values are blank. See next example, pv.marks. So it means all the columns of marks will get displayed along with NaN values. Then if you write pv.marks.ip, all these are examples of filtering. You can do anything. You can try at home with different combinations. Now see this one, this is a little bit different. If you write fill NA and within single or double quotes X or anything, all the NaN values will be replaced by this. So see Radhika, IP, only 98, and these three are NaN values which are replaced by X. So we have only one topic today.